How to deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week. This method lets you temporarily disable your account instantly. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the menu. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Afterwards, tap on Personal Details and then tap on Account Ownership and Control. In addition to that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to access account management options. Once there, select the Instagram account you want to deactivate from the list. Subsequently, tap on Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account. Moreover, Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deactivation from the drop-down menu. Choose any reason that applies. Afterwards, you may need to re-enter your password for security verification. Type in your password and tap Continue. Then, tap on Deactivate Account to confirm your decision. Within moments, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated and hidden from other users immediately. Alternatively, you can reactivate anytime by simply logging back into Instagram with your credentials. And that's it. If this instant deactivation method worked for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.